the Bureau bringing the new daily video, the National Weather Forecast. We'll scoot around the country to give you an idea of the weather and the temperatures for tomorrow. Now the focus for tomorrow is going to be on the windy conditions developing across southern Australia and also the heat continuing through large parts of the country. So here we have the mean sea level pressure analysis with this ridge of high pressure dominating through large parts, bringing settled and dry conditions. Apart from out in the southwest with wet and windy weather returning there with that cold front, reaching Tasmania later on Tuesday night. Zooming in to Queensland, onshore showers for the North Tropical Queensland coast, but elsewhere generally fine and sunny conditions with unseasonably warm conditions continuing. In fact, the maximum temperatures are forecast to be 6 to 12 degrees above the August average, with Brisbane forecasting 28 degrees, 28 for Townsville as well, much warmer inland for Mount Isa and Longreach, 35 degrees. Generally dry and clear conditions for New South Wales, with the winds really starting to pick up through southern parts during the afternoon. Damaging wind gusts are possible about the snowy mountains, and there is the chance of isolated showers and storms developing about the very far northeast. Again, above average maximum temperatures, Sydney a top of 24 degrees, for Canberra 17 and over in Bourke 27. A windy day for Victoria. In fact, damaging wind gusts are possible on and south of the ranges, including for the Melbourne metropolitan area. There is the chance of just some showers developing about the northern slopes of the eastern ranges and also late at night out in the far southwest coast associated with those frontal showers. Now, maximum of 20 degrees is forecast for Melbourne as well for Shepparton. Warmer in the northwest, Mildura a top of 25 degrees. Particularly windy though for Tasmania, with showers through central northern parts increasing during the evening as that front approaches and tending more towards rain. Now, with the grounds quickly becoming saturated, flood watch has been issued. Above average temperatures, a top of 20 degrees for Hobart and 16 degrees for Launceston. For South Australia, dry and generally clear conditions, with the winds really starting to pick up throughout the peninsula, the Mount Lofty ranges and the far southeast during the afternoon, where damaging wind gusts may occur. The maximum temperatures well above average, in fact up to 14 degrees above the August average out in the west. A maximum of 31 degrees for Cooper Pedy and for Adelaide a top of 23 degrees. Now for WA, we've got that frontal system crossing, bringing the showers there. They're forecast to clear the Perth area during the early afternoon. Now we're not expecting any significant rainfall totals, generally less than 5 millimetres, potentially isolated totals up to 10 millimetres in the very far southwest. But it is going to be windy with more damaging wind gusts possible about the southern coastal districts. Maximum temperatures continuing to be above average. We're forecasting 21 degrees for Perth and 31 degrees for Eucla. Finally for the Territory, dry, hot and sunny conditions, a top of 35 degrees for Darwin and 33 degrees for Alice Springs. And just a sneak peek for Wednesday, we've got that frontal system crossing southern Victoria and Tasmania. Out in the west, another frontal system as well. So if you're wanting to know more about what's going on in your neck of the woods, then you can visit the Bureau's website, the app or social media. Otherwise, we'll see you again tomorrow. Bye for now.